I leave the description field totally empty, we just press run once. This part has been generated by AI and is no, actually this. We have saved ourselves like at least 30 minutes. Hi dear friend, let me show you how this 4-step automation, which you can set up in less than 2 minutes using the blueprint, which you can download following the link in the description below, will allow you to not only save up to 30 minutes every time you upload the video on YouTube, but it will also skyrocket the impressions amount by optimizing the video of yours to the search engine. How, you can ask? Pay attention. So just immediately I will show you what is happening. Let's imagine that I want simply to post the video. I press create, then I will input the name of my video. As you can see, it can be on any topic at all. Then I leave the description field totally empty. Then I upload some thumbnail. Let's use this one for this example. And I can quickly parse through these settings for now. Surely in the usual video you would add subtitles and probably end screen. You know, it's quite easy. But for the sake of this example, I will leave it as it is. And well, of course, 2 minutes English conversation is extremely educational, but for now, let's keep it private. Don't listen to that dude. You must set the visibility of your video to public straight away. Otherwise, the automation I'm about to show you in a second won't work. After this, we go to the make.com. You download the blueprint of this automation following the link in the description, which is, by the way, also optimized using this hack, if it is right word to use in this particular occasion. And you simply press import and you will see the same kind of screen at your computer. And what you will have to do is the following. So here you will have to provide the connection of your Google account. It's quite simple. It's just default O authentication. You know, in this cute freshly updated Google window. They have recently made it new and look much more modern, I would say. And then you will provide your channel ID. You can simply provide the handle, which you can find. Oh, well, as a matter of fact, you can either find the ID of your channel immediately, or you can also find this handle, which is right below the name of your account. And after this, well, here is the interesting part. You actually can choose whatever time you want here, but I highly recommend to choose the date in the field published after, which is not later than the day before the day you are setting up this automation. Why? Well, yeah, and here just put one. Don't just put one. And for this, we just press choose where to start, choose manually, okay. And here we press the most top video, we press OK. And as a matter of fact, considering that you are using the blueprint which you have downloaded from the description below, you simply need to insert your API key here. You need to insert your API key of OpenAI service. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that you need to get the API key of yours on Dumpling AI. It's completely free, and on OpenAI, as I recall, you are able to get $5 for if that's your first API key, and also you can check out the video, if I did not put it somewhere on the screen right now, on how to get $2,500 in OpenAI credits easily and fast. And the fourth step, well, here you will I think it will be already automatically set up as you have already set up YouTube connection in the first module of this quite straightforward and immensely powerful automation. Yeah, yeah, and let me quickly tell you what is gonna happen. So you can leave these variables as they are. Simply your video's title will be left unchanged. Here you can set up certain template which you want to be used all the time. Probably some relevant links, some links on your or your company's social media accounts. Follow the link in the description below and follow these accounts. Also some hashtags. As a matter of fact, I think you can also increase, you can improve the prompt on the step where we are generating the actual SEO optimized description by asking AI to generate some hashtags as well. Probably we will do this right now, so we are not just spectating what the thing is doing, but we are also actively, and as one notorious guy of mine would say, proactively improving the quality of this mechanism. I want it to look a bit more nice. I mean, I really love these 3- separators, and let also, yeah, here you can leave this prompt relatively unchanged. Probably you can play with the length of the description if you would love it to be a bit more concise, but I think less than 5 sentences is like too short, even though they say the size doesn't matter. And the keywords surely you should adopt them to the niche of yours. So I mean, if you are telling people how to paint nails in the most safe manner, I mean, AI in restaurants is not that relevant to them. But you still can order in your native language by following the link in the description below. And let's enhance the prompt by adding the line at the end relevant at the end of the description at some keywords which are relevant, some hashtags on word. Oh, which is not these words. And you know, earlier I just said to the keywords I have mentioned, but I recommend you to treat AI as some person who is not that aware of what you want. In fact, 99.9% of people are like this. So you just say extremely straightforward and clearly what you want, without replacing with all these generic responses like okay, like this, and the way you have done before. No. Don't be scared to repeat yourself. I mean, it's not plagiating in this case. Of course, as well as uploading some random video from the internet on my YouTube channel. And yeah, my parrots also reminding you of that you should press the like button and subscribe in case you do not want to miss out on the new information in the industry of AI and the ways you can optimize your life using this advanced technology, best invention of the humankind. And for now, we are good. And here you can leave everything the way it is already now in the second message, which is the actual, call to action to AI to generate the description based on the data of this video, as well as the certain context which we have provided in this prompt. And yeah, in case you are wondering what is this dumpling AI thing, it's an awesome module which provides, actually the only module on make.com surprisingly, which allows you to seamlessly obtain transcript of YouTube video, and that's freakingly powerful. You can play with this parameter, which actually points out what is the interval between times. So let's imagine that AI has detected in our 2 minutes video 50 different lines of text, and if we keep this parameter 1, then all 50 lines of text will be shown just one by one. But if we choose 2, then the text will remain the same, but it's not gonna be shown like first second hello, second 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 how are you. No, it's gonna show 1 second, first second hello, how are you, third second in today's video, and so on and so on. And in case you leave it 5, then it's gonna show something like first second hello, how are you, in today's video we are gonna fly to the Mars, and the the second line will be the 5th second. Okay, now I think Jupiter is more fun planet to go to. And the idea is that the division is different. Hopefully I have explained it correctly. Hopefully. Nevertheless, you can leave everything unchanged. It's already set up quite well for you to optimize your video and make it as easily detectable by YouTube's search engine as possible, and thus make it as likely to get tons of cold traffic as possible. And the thing is that finally we have reached the point when we can run this thing and see the magic in reality. We press one more time the video, the most recent video which we wanna modify, and then we just press run once. Oh my god, I love this alchemy in the real life. So it has grabbed our video. This thing has created the transcript of the video. Then AI has generated some quite meaningful description, and finally, as we see this very enticing green mark, supposedly our video has been successfully updated. Fingers crossed. Let's update and check out whether that's the case. I love the color gamma of this video. Well, sometimes it takes a bit of time to update the details. However, just be sure that the details indeed were updated. You can see this right at this moment. Yes, we have done it. The video has been successfully updated, and right now we have saved ourselves like at least 30 minutes of time, because just look at this. So this part is automated, so basically that's simply the template which has already been used. So that's that was pre-pasted, but this part has been generated by AI and is no, actually this one, yeah, including these hashtags. this part has been generated by AI, and based on the transcript of this video, it was able to create a concise explanation of what was happening in this shortcast, and by this provide some guidance for YouTube robots to serve your video to the audience of yours as efficiently and as frequently as possible. Therefore, guys, again, go to the description. You can check out how I have run this video through the same cycle. So just know that this part wasn't written by this thing, just by some magical other stuff, and also uh, download this blueprint following the link in the description, because it will save you good amount of time. And in case you would love to try out ordering in the way everyone is gonna be ordering in about couple of years, to be one of the first people who is able to order in Estonian in Zimbabwe, or whatever your language, whatever your native language is, and in whatever country you're currently residing in, you are able to experience this authentic way of maximally personalized ordering by following the link in the description. And in case you are a restaurant owner or manager, you can try out AI restaurant software, which will globalize and automate customer service, including order taking, in your eatery. Thank you very much for attention, and let's build cool future together. Stay awesome.